Okay, guys, it is the next day, and we're ready to tackle this again. I had some things to do this morning, but we're ready. I got some Rhino off-road on, and where we left off was a carb cleaning. That's pretty nasty. You know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna put the filter back on, and I have a real long bristle brush. I'm gonna try to clean this off the best I can. Yeah, I don't want crap getting in there, so let's do that. Okay, boys, everything's cleaned up. I think I got all the tools I need. So we're gonna crack this one, and you can't see it, but there's another one on the other side. We're gonna crack these loose and get these off. And there's here, right there, and then this whole plate should come off, exposing our carb, and we can slide the carb off and undo the linkages. So let's get this guy out of here. Hopefully I'm not blocking you off. And these guys gotta go. I already took the back one off. That is a long bolt, man. Okay. Off it comes, and there's a vacuum line right there. Yeah, that's still honking dirty back there. But we'll fix that up. So we don't lose this. Let's put it back in. Okay, we got the airbox off. Now, this particular style of carb, you have to take these out. They're two long studs. Some of these just have nuts on the end. Take the nuts off and the carb slides right off. But this guy's a little bit different design. I've seen this before. Let's get rid of that. And this. And that should just break free, like so. And there's still a lot of crap here, so we don't want to drop any of that in there. Oh, nice. This just unhooked for us. There's a teeny little spring here. Eventually we're redoing all of this, but I want to put it back together as just a stock mower and take it for a little spin, make sure the transmission and everything's good. So, that's still pretty gummy and crappy, but I'll stuff some rags in there and clean the rest of that up. But for now, this guy's got to hit the bench. That's your low-speed jet there, I'll show you. That's probably the culprit. But yeah, we're going to clean everything, so let's get onto the bench. Okay, so hopefully this works out. I think, yeah, you can see my hands. I'm behind the camera. It's clamped to the table, so this should work. Okay, what we want to do is crack open this bowl again. Remember, this guy sits like that and shuts the fuel off when there's no power. This is a little solenoid. I'm not going to take you through the entire cleaning process. Ugh, that guy's... I can smell it already. That's rotten gas. What was I saying? Oh boy, look at that. Isn't that delicious? Yeah, that's it. Let's see if we can get you a clearer view of that. Isn't that sexy? That, my friends, is what ethanol gasoline does. Ethanol is pure crap. Okay, boys, we got The jet's all cleaned up, the float cleaned up. Mostly this bowl cleaned up. Hopefully you can see that again. It's much, much better. So we're going to set that on there like so. Make sure it seats right because it does have a rubber gasket on it. There. Now the solenoid. I keep forgetting I got a camera in front of me here. Screw that in. Snug it, don't horse it. Okay. She's all cleaned up. Everything's working nice. Passages are clean. All right, let's stick this thing back in. Okay, guys, so I got looking at this and it started bugging me before I even put the carb in. So I pulled this cover off. It's real easy. There's 2 bolts back here and 2 bolts at the front. But it was, that's what came out of it. And the fins, everything. It's best to start with a clean slate. Yeah, that looks pretty good now. I'm happy with that. Okay, so here we go. We have our old gasket. Usually these guys are pretty good. They're really, really thick and it's hard to rip them. Like they're pretty beefy. So we can definitely use that again. And this is going to be tricky because it's going to go like this. Get the gasket on there. And get these bolts through. And no. I almost made a boo-boo. Linkages. Linkages first. Okay, guys, we're back. And I've mostly got these linkages hooked up. There's usually swearing involved. They're just tiny, pissy little things that these fingers don't enjoy doing. But let's get this guy. This is your choke. Yeah, you guys aren't going to be able to see anything here anyway. Okay, let's get the choke back in. This is all gone when I start modifying anyway. But just for now, I want to have it all stock. Okay, we got that started. Let's get this side started. Okay, that's let's take it off choke. Perfect. See, it's off choke here. Hopefully you can see that. Kick the choke in. All right, so we know we're hooked up right. And the throttle is hooked up to the governor back here, which we are definitely changing that. We're going to rule out this governor altogether and just put a cable on here. But now we know our linkage is working right. So let's tighten these up by hand. Like so. Gasket's sitting right. And we need our 5/16 long. And give it a little snug. Not much. Doesn't need much. Just snug. Okay. Now, I don't think I'm going to bother with the breather. Just to fire it? No, I don't think I need to. Not a whole lot of dust in here, so I think we'll be fine. But I am going to find a container and get rid of this old crappy fuel and flush this filter and see if it's okay. So, let's get that drink. That stinks. Okay, we'll get this tank drained. Oh, that's horrible. Yeah, we'll get this tank drained and get some fresh stuff in there. Okay, guys, I think we're good here. We got fresh high test. Carb's all hooked up. The power for the solenoid's hooked up. We're on choke. Oh, yeah. My first expense on this build. A new battery, because why the hell would you buy a used battery? So, that. All right, I think we're all good. There's no shut off for this fuel. So there should be fuel in the carb right now. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, boys. Moment of truth. Mission accomplished. Oh, there you are. Mission accomplished, boys. Woo! But that's to be expected. All right, let's get this door open, air this place out, and man, I am happy with that. All right, I think I'm going to end this video here. I got to figure out what my next steps are. Better runs. That's the big thing. Super happy. Check out the, I'm going to open this. It stinks in here. Whew. Super duper happy with that. Yeah, I got a lot of decisions to make now. Tires, got to get rid of the deck. Deck's got to go. Ooh, fresh air. That's nice. But, yeah, wow. We're on our way, boys. The build's looking pretty good. So, you're going to have to tune into the next video. I got to get the deck gone. That's next, for sure. Then from there, little modifying, so it's going to be good. So, Rhino Off-Road Mowers. Check out the next one, boys.